Hello everybody, and first off, if I sound like an idiot, it's because, I have a wiggly tooth and it won't come out of my face. So yeah, I tried pulling it out already and it doesn't come out, so we're gonna have to wait. Anyways, I'm just going to be reacting to my old videos because I can. Oh lordy, okay. Okie dokie. Lego. It's gonna take forever to load now. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm gonna start with 3 months ago. So I'll start with this thingy. Hopefully it's not too bad. What was that? What was that thing? The heck? His sweater is very low. It's unhealthy. Alright then. That's a bit strange. I'll watch this then. That's great. That's great. That's real great. What is this? Oh god, that art style though is super bad. I'm gonna go see if I can get any more other videos. Okay, all you have to do is this. There we go. Oh gosh. Oh my god. What the heck? What the heck? Okay, we're not gonna look at that because that's gonna give me dead peoples. Oh god, that is some great timing there. Ooh, yes. Okay. 40. This is before Edge World, so that was. Oh my god, this is so bad. Oh god, what's going on? What's going on there? See, this is the tweening on this is okay, but it's like it's so gross. Oh lordy, lordy, lordy. I'm gonna die. What is this? I liked my own video. No. So like the thing is, the lip sync is like okay, but I still don't know anymore. Okay. Oh, I remember when I was obsessed with diamond animations. I'm gonna see if she's still actually like, what has she been doing? Because I haven't watched her in like a year, so. Diamond Animations. Did she change her name? Okay. Maybe. Is this her? This has to be her, because I'm not subscribed to anybody else that has that name. Yep, this is her. Okay, she changed her name. That's great. That's wonderful. Okay. Ow. I'm over here in the corner dying. Ow. I just broke my face. Okay, wait. Tord is emotional. Oh god, no. Okay, well, Here we go. This is so bad. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh look, I got more dislikes than likes. That's great. I need to stop liking my stuff. Oh my god. Okay, look. That's like, right, I said right here 3 months ago. It's Island Toured before Island World existed. LMAO. I mean, it is. It looks a lot like Island Toured actually, but that wasn't a thing. Back then in December 22nd, 2016, Island World was not a thing yet, but it will. I promise it is now.